Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing my fall tutorial. I do one every single year, and this year I was inspired by the grunge. So I threw on my wig, plopped on my beanie, and I came up with this warm, smoky green moment, and I really like the way it turned out, and I hope that you guys do as well. So if you're interested in this tutorial, I do hope you decide to stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into it. there you have it, guys. That is this year's fall tutorial. If you like more for the season, then let me know and I can try and come up with some more looks. But I'm very satisfied with this year's look. I'm really excited to show you guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed it. A full list of products will be listed down below, but if you're interested in any of my makeup looks, always be sure to check me out on Instagram. First link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.